go over enabling that dark mode on the YouTube. Now let's say if you order on the light mode for YouTube, now we need to change that to the dark theme. Now all you need to do is that you need to just go to the YouTube like this, and from there you need to tap on your profile, which means you can go to the PC, or otherwise you can go to your phone. If you're using your phone, there you can go to the settings and go to general, and from there you can go for the appearance like this. From there you can tap on that like this, and from there you can change the dark theme on your phone. Let's say if you're on your PC or laptop or computer, you can tap on the profile picture by opening your YouTube like this and tap on here. From there, you need to go to the appearance in the list of options that was appeared when you tap on your profile. So just tap on the appearance, which is the little arrow mark here. By tapping on that, it will give you three options like device theme, dark theme, and the light theme. Now, device theme, it says that by defaultly whatever the theme that you have use it for your device, let's say that might be dark, that might be light, and that will be applied to the YouTube. Now if you need to enable the dark theme or the dark mode, you just tap on the dark theme like this, and that will be refreshed and change over dark theme. You could see this has been refreshed and changed over the dark mode. This is how you enable dark mode on YouTube on PC. Thank you.